Hello everyone. Construction Management Training Institute is a professional training institute working towards development of construction professionals, providing innovative training programs as per the industry requirements. CMTI is founded by Engineer Ashok Kumar, an experienced project management professionals having 2 decades of experience in project management function and worked with leading construction companies like L&T, HCC, JMC and other companies.
Employers are asking experience from the freshers itself. But without employment, how the freshers will become industry ready? So it is a challenge for any engineer to get a decent job and for the employers to find a better candidate. Hence, CMTI is training the civil engineers on project planning functions.
Quantity surveying is an important function in any project. A civil engineer should be good in quantity surveying concepts. Quantity surveying starts from before the execution and completes after the execution, that is till final bill is certified from clients and payments are received. Quantity surveyor should be good in understanding the scope of work, understanding the construction drawings, understanding the specifications of works, good in AutoCAD and Microsoft Excel calculations. They should be good in understanding the variation in the works. Our QS syllabus is designed by leading quantity surveyors having 30+ years of experience in the construction industry. We have trained more than 1000+ quantity surveying of professionals in past 3 years through systematic training and with live project assignments for practicing. In our QS syllabus, we have included reading of construction drawings, understanding the BOQ and specification, estimation of quantities using Excel and AutoCAD as per IS 1200, material calculations for various works, preparation of BRET analysis for various works, preparation of bar bending schedules, preparation of RA bills for the works executed. Experience is gained through structured internship programs guided by our experts, as these days everyone is looking for experienced candidates. Freshers is finding difficulty in getting jobs and companies are looking for young people with experience. To bridge this gap, Construction Management Training Institute provides a platform where freshers and working professionals.
It is an online training program with a duration of 4 weeks with flexible timings for both working professionals and the students. We too have weekend trainings. Our institute is associated with leading 30+ engineering colleges and also 100+ companies for training and placements.
For more, you can visit our website on www.cmtionline.com or call or WhatsApp us on 888 44 222 79. Thank you.